Hey everybody, it's Michelle with Comfy Cozy Living. So tonight, whatever it is now, I'm going to open a few packages. One I picked up it's an Instagram purchase, but it's a local um, channel apparently. I didn't get to meet her because she does porch pickup or whatever. Then I think there's another. I have, I think, one or two more Instagram purchases from last week, and I think I have one that's a surprise from Miss Pamela's sale or something. So, this is the one that I ordered today. It's kind of nice that I can just go local. She has this shelf that I really want, but it's $48, and I just can't. For a wicker, like, rattan shelf, I can't. I'll wait, until I maybe find one myself. I don't know. But I like this, simple packaging, no big deal. She has a little, like a big, one of the big totes on her porch, and then there's like an envelope where you put the payment if you're not paying. And usually I pay PayPal, and this time I'm like, oh, of course now I have cash. So. Anyway, so I left the cash in an envelope, and here it is. I guess it could be like a napkin holder, but I'm going to use it for papers and whatnot. I just like it because it's, my vibe. And also, I think I'm going to keep this in my living room because I still need a place for a few things in there where I will still occasionally be sitting to do some paperwork and things. So, there's that. And then this, definitely I know is something that I bought, except I don't remember. I ordered, actually, several things from her. And it's from Mid-Century Maven. And I ordered some stuff from her that I had sent to my ex-husband also. But this is for me, and I just don't remember what the heck it is. It might be, nope, that's another one. I was gonna say it might be these little pine cone elves, but that I ordered, that might be in another one. I've ordered two different pine cone elves recently. One has a stand and one does not. So one was a better price. And also the one that didn't have the stand, I got like for a percentage off. With the whole sale was like a percentage off or something. I don't remember, but so let's just see what I got here. I cut it as close as I can because I reuse everything, Don't you know? Ooh. Hey, this feels soft. I can't remember what it is. It's so funny. Okay, I've never had a package like this used with oh, they're sticking to everything. So I'm pretty sure there's nothing else in there. I'll just set that over there. I honestly don't remember what it is. I'm sure I'll be happy with it. Just a note. Michelle. Goodness. Thanks for stopping by our live and for your order. I've never shipped to an ex-husband. Haha. Oh, enjoy your lucite candles and this gift. Oh my God, you guys. Yes. Oh, I wish Michael was still awake. I know he's not. Darn it. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are amazing. Oh, you guys, these are amazing. Okay, what is this little gift that I got? Oh. Oh, I think I know what it is. This is funny because I sold similar ones, but I think she had some different. I think there's some of those drink animals. Yes. Yes. That's what they are. They are a donkey, which I did not have, and a green monkey. I did not have a green monkey. A donkey. How awesome is that? Yeah, that's sweet. Very cute. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. Let's open up my babies. Oh! I can't believe I let them sit in there so long all the day. Oh, you guys, these are... Plus, I got those blue ones over there. Oh, you guys, Look, I ain't in any rush to put away my Christmas. But when I do, I got some beautiful things to put out. So I'm saying. Good night, Irene. I can't find... There it is. Okay, I'm not so worried about saving this lucite or this wrap anymore because I just want to mainly get my candles free safely. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Oh my god. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I love these things so much. Let me... Oh. Okay, see, here's the problem. I was all totally clothed, and then I went and I got undressed, and then I was like, oh shoot, I forgot to do my video. You guys, do you see? Oh my gosh. Do you know how cool this is gonna look if I find the right thing? Oh my gosh. Because I'm not kidding. Some of my primary colors, and by primary I mean not like red, yellow, green. I mean like primary, secondary, tertiary. Like I are like blue and purple and some green. I mean in the regular season. You guys. I can't even. Have you ever seen purple? I'm so happy. I need them to be safe. So, those are lovely. Lovely indeed. Indeed. So this is from the barn. This is another one of my purchases. I'm almost certain that the barn was one of my purchases. the Barn Vintage, I think. It's funny because the tape is very close to the same color as the box. All this green, and I can't see where it ends or begins or whatever. There it is. And so now I'm trying to remember, like, I ordered this boot thing. So this could be the one where I got the pine cone elf and a boot thing. Or, you know, the funny thing is, I know I have it written down somewhere real close by here. I'm almost certain of it. But, is this which way? This tape is getting me confused because this box is confusing. And you know what? I don't blame them because I reuse everything I can. So some boxes are just a little harder to figure out when they're all taped up. You know, because they have those things where you close them in. Oh, here. Okay. And, I mean, she did a good job taping it up, but it's just this color of this tape and this color of this box is hard for me to see it. So, here we go. Here we go. Now we're cooking with gas. More tape. Or this could be this elf boot that I can't wait to see. But you know what? I've been wrong with sizes of things lately. Because that little... I thought I got this little tea light sized elf and it was like a pillar size elf. Which I do recall like reading the word pillar, but it just didn't dawn on me properly. But I mean, I'm very happily surprised because I love it, but like I don't remember what size this other thing's gonna be. So, oh, this is cute. Thank you, Shelby. Oh, is this a sticker? Well, I think it's like a Christmas sticker though, not like a I forgot I got this. Oh, it's this. It's from Target. It's from July? Is that proper? Is that right? July of 2018? Anyway, it's Target from a couple of years ago. I forgot I got this. Look how cute. Yes. Yes. And he was cheap. It was only like $5. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, very cute. So, yay, I love it. Okay. Now, the last thing is it's jingling like some bells. And it is from Miss Pamela. Blanchard. Now, I don't know what it is, except for the fact that it's jingling. And that she said I was going to be getting a gift. So, who doesn't love a gift? Okay, the card says, Michelle, happy holidays. May your holidays be merry, and the new year bring you joy. Merry Christmas, Michelle. Santa Claus came to my sale and asked me to send these to you for Christmas. Santa is Susan Nickel. It's Susan K with a... Oh, that's sweet. She was just at our sale today. Oh, it's Oh, I just love this stuff. I wasn't at Pamela's sale. I think the last 2 weeks, actually. Oh, I love this stuff. Are you kidding me? Look at the graphics, you guys. Burr Mill bows. Just pull the string, it says. Oh, I love it. And you know my Christmas stuff is still out. Oh, it's a honeycomb Santa. Ooh. These are little tiny reindeer. Those are cool. Oh, I love this stuff. Oh, I love this. It's Jingle Bells with Santa. You guys, oh my gosh. And then it's Denison Christmas seals. I mean, there's more, I think, too. And it might be just packaging, so no. I think there's something in here. But you guys, like, you don't even know. I mean, I know it's just to you, to a lot of you, you're like, it's just 3 Jingle Bells, Michelle. But no, it's the card that it's on, you guys. Look at this. It's Criterion Jingle Bells for use on gift packages, trees, toys, costumes, shoes, etc. Made in USA. And look at the cool little picture of Santa. Do you people realize how awesome this is? It's awesome. I love this stuff. Okay. Yes. So here we go. This is the finale. Oh, you guys, look. Oh, this is so sweet. Wait, one of them's turned around. I just want to get her proper. Oh, these are so sweet. And it says Santa Land. It's Hong Kong. Santa Land Christmas decorations. Look at the yes. You guys, both sides have awesome graphics. Look at the little angels. Oh, this is so sweet. There's a blue one, white one, a green one, a pink one, and I think that's like a yellowy, clear, goldy. Oh, these are so sweet. Thank you, Susan. I love this kind of stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So if you guys don't know, I mean, I'm sure that you know what a honeycomb Santa is, but not everybody might not know. Everybody might not know. How about I put it that way? First of all, he's got a freaking beard, and that's awesome. But there's his body. Oh my God. his little clasp, I think, kind of came apart. But that's okay, because why are his... That's funny that he has his arms going in a different direction. That's kind of funny. So what I can do... Oh, I see. I see. It should be like that. So all I'm going to have to do is tape it or unclip it somehow. Look how cute he is with his beard, too. I mean, that's good. That's good. He's got honeycomb feet, honeycomb body, and he's got the like crepe paper beard. That's awesome. Awesome. Oh, I love him. Oh, you guys, I love this. Susan, you are a sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. You guys, I love, 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 love all of you so much. And this is very special. I just love this kind of little thing. Not little. It's not little at all. This is some great vintage stuff here. And I know a lot of you really appreciate this kind of stuff. And I know that Misty and Rachel love this sort of stuff. And yeah, so yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, Susan. And thank you, Miss Pamela, for getting this to me and having it for sale for somebody to buy it for me. That was awesome. So this was a nice little video, I think. And let's see. Tomorrow is, well, it's not going to be going up tomorrow. I think this video might be going up on New Year's Eve, possibly, or the 30th. I can't remember, so we'll see. You'll know when you see it. Anyway, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you hit that notification bell so you know anytime I release a new video. And also, I hope that everything goes as planned. But as I usually do, I waited till the last minute. So hopefully, if this is on New Year's Eve, hopefully at 12 noon, I'll be starting my extravaganza if all goes as planned. So, what's it? Okay, be careful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Susan. Thank you all. And I hope you all had a really happy holiday. And mine continues because we're not having our family Christmas until New Year's Day. So thank you, everybody. And have a good one. Bye.